Hello there.
So how do you create a Degiro account? The logical first step is to go to their website and click on Create an account. Select the country you live in, a valid email address, username, and password. You will then receive an activation link which will allow you to log in and go to the next step. Let's go for step 1 then, which is personal information. This step will require you to give your name, family name, country, phone number, address, civil statute, inform you are not an American citizen or if you are, and give a valid bank account in your name. You will then see a recap of all the information given, which will also be the sign that step 1 is completed. Moving on to step 2, which is verifying your ID. For this, you will be required to give your nationality and if you have any dual one amongst the EU. Then you will have to download a valid ID document and fill in a series of information identical to the one stated on your ID. Once this is done, your ID will be verified. This step may take around 10 working days. Once this is completed, we may move on to step 3, which is tax information. This part is pretty short and only requires you to give your fiscal nationality and your tax identification number. This number can be found at different spots depending on your country and composed differently. For example, in Belgium, it's a unique 11-digit number on the back of your ID. In France and Switzerland, it's a 13-digit one and can be found on your latest tax declaration. This brings us to one of the most important steps, which is choosing the type of account. The reason is because once you choose, you cannot change it. There are two types of account, basic or custody. A basic account is the standard account type when you register, and is the one we currently use. It allows all of Degiro's functionality, the ability to upgrade to an active trader or day trader account, allowing you to trade using margins from Degiro, debit security, and derivatives. On the opposite, the main difference with the custody account is that securities you own are not subject to be lent. However, it cannot be upgraded to an active trader or day trader account and is subject to different fees and conditions. Personally, we at ECC Inc. have gone for the basic account. Step 5 is the legal side of Degiro. Like all financial system, there's a legal side to it. You will have to read a form related to Degiro's investment service and their software license agreement. I'll let you read those to see if you agree with them. If yes, then you can go on to sign your Degiro contract, making your account official. However, this is not the final step as your account is not yet active. To activate your account, you will need to fund it. For that, you need to indicate a bank account that is in your name and the method of how you will fund your account. It can be by wire transfer or instant transfer via software. To activate your account, you need a minimum of 1 cent. Once the money arrives, you will receive 2 mails. Once, a receipt, and the other to activate your account. And that's it. You're ready to invest. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe.